Welcome back, and this is part 2 regarding Sustainable Development Goal SDGs. So in 2015, United Nations set up 17 goals for the sustainable development, and it's adopted by 190 countries, and the mission is to achieve the goals by 2030. Well, these are the 17 goals that all of you might know already, but to be honest, these sustainable development goals are complicated and not easy to remember. So in this part, we will try to understand these goals through an interconnection. So first have a look how they are interconnected. Let's have organized in the three layers. The first one is environment, and on top of that, society, and finally the economy. So if the environment is the foundation of the pillar, and then on top of environment you have a society and the economy. Well, so what is sustainability? The sustainability is meeting human needs within the ecological constraint. Well, the economy is a strategy to make the money while making sustainability. Let's move to the layers again. So there are 4 goals about the environment: clean water, climate action, life below water, and life on land. There are 8 goals about the society: no poverty, zero hunger, good health, quality education, gender equality, affordable green energy, sustainable cities, and peace, justice, and strong institution. And finally, there are 4 about the economy: decent work, industry innovation, reduce inequalities, and respectable consumption and production. So if these are associated with these 3, perhaps it's called wing cakes for sustainable development goals. Well, let's have an example. So decent work and economic growth, or even zero hunger, is not possible without taking care of life underwater. So this is the way that the layers are interconnected. Let's have an example with the recent activities, the coronavirus. So you can say that the no poverty or the good health is not possible without taking care of the climate action and the land, life on the land. So this is the way every regards are connected with these 3 layers. So we can memorize and think about the goals with this way. Well, so now come to more detail about this goal. So now we know that we have sustainable goals, and that are 17. But on top of that, we have 169 targets and 232 indicators. For example, let's have take a goal: affordable and clean energy, having 5 associated targets. And you can tell that by 2030, ensure universal access for affordable, reliable, and modern energy service. By 2030, increase sustainability, the share of renewable energy in the global energy mix. By 2030, double the global rate of improvement in the energy efficiency, etc., etc. So these are the targets, having the indicators as well. Now we are looking about the status of the sustainable goal in Japan. So here is the website. You can go detail for this website. So I take this as a ranked with an index score. In context of Japan, it is scored 19 around 163 countries, with the SDG index score 79.6. Well, so let's have a look of three categories. So these are the sustainable development goals that are on track in Japan and that maintaining the achievement. So no poverty, good health, quality education, decent work and economic growth, industry innovation and infrastructure, peace, justice, and strong institution. While these are the part that some challenges remain, of course, moderately improving. And here is the last two goal is stagnating, and you can focus on your automation design. Well, this is a brief discussion about the sustainable development goals. Now what you have to do, you have to interconnect these three videos. The first one is regarding the automation, the second one is regarding Society 5, and the last one is regarding sustainable development goals. So what we have to do based on your learning from these three videos, automation, you have to develop your own automation for the Society 5, and you have to identify that automation basically serves or satisfies which of the sustainable development goals. So best of luck. You have to write a report that contains three basic things. So your automation, and then how it work with the how it contributes to Society 5, and how it's related with the sustainable development goals. Okay, hope you guys enjoy to write this report, and I also provide some link here. So for more information you can have a visit with this link, and also there are some link inside the slides, so go to this link for more if you are interested. And now go back to the report. So the main thing I would like to clarify here, you have to develop your you have to propose an automation that basically design targeting Society 5, and of course you have to identify which of the sustainable goals are satisfied in yours. Thank you very much. Hope that's all and end of this part, and you have to submit your report by the deadline, and you can write it in English or Japanese. Thank you very much.